Alkenes are a homologous series of unsaturated hydrocarbons, so they contain only hydrogen and carbon. A homologous series is a series of compounds with the same functional group, which means they have a similar structure. Alkanes, alkenes, alcohols, and carboxylic acids are examples of homologous series. Alkenes are unsaturated because they contain at least one double carbon-carbon bond. This is because not all of the carbon atoms form bonds with 4 other atoms. Some of them only form 3 bonds. The double carbon-carbon bond is the functional group of an alkene. The general formula for an alkene is CnH2n. That means for every carbon atom, there'll be twice as many hydrogen atoms. The first 4 alkenes are ethene, propene, butene, and pentene. Just like alkanes, bigger alkenes have higher boiling points, they're more viscous, and they're less flammable, so they're less useful as fuels. We can use the general formula for an alkene to work out how many hydrogen atoms are in an alkene with a given number of carbon atoms, and vice versa. If an alkene has 6 carbon atoms, N is 6, so 2N is 12. That means an alkene with 6 carbon atoms will have 12 hydrogen atoms, and its formula will be C6H12. If an alkene has 10 carbon atoms, N is 10, so 2N is 20. It has 20 hydrogen atoms, so the formula is C10H20. For an alkene with 38 hydrogen atoms, 2N must be 38. That means N is half of that, which is 19, so it has 19 carbon atoms. Its formula will be C19H38. Like alkanes, alkenes can be burnt as a fuel. When they burn, they produce a smoky flame due to incomplete combustion. Alkenes are more reactive than alkanes, so they're used in lots of reactions in industry, and they're often called a chemical feedstock. They can be used for making polymers and in cracking to produce smaller alkanes. They can react with hydrogen to produce alkanes, water to produce alcohols, and halogens to produce haloalkanes. To test for alkenes, we use bromine water. When bromine water is added to an alkane, it remains orange, but when it's added to an alkene, it turns colourless. Here are some practice questions for you to try. Pause the video and give them a go. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons because they have at least one double carbon-carbon bond. The general formula for an alkene is CnH2n. Propene has 3 carbon atoms, so it looks like this. For an alkene with 9 carbon atoms, N is 9, so 2N is 18. It will have the molecular formula C9H18. For an alkene with 28 carbon atoms, N is 28, so 2N is 56. It will have the molecular formula C28H56. For an alkene with 30 hydrogen atoms, 2N is 30, so N is half of that, which is 15. It will have the molecular formula C15H30. Alkenes are more reactive than alkanes, so they can be used to make polymers. To test for alkenes, we add bromine water. The orange bromine water turns colourless in alkenes, whereas it remains orange in alkanes.